Okay. Do you have any questions from previous lesson? Put into the chat box. Okay. Let's start the today lesson. Today lesson is bone. I will write down all the things. Bone. Bone is formed with three main components. What are they? They are cells, inorganic substances, and organic substances. Now we will see what are the examples of these things. Two types of main cells in the bone tissue. They are osteoblast and osteocyte. Examples for the organic substance is collagen. Inorganic substances are calcium ion, magnesium ions. I will write down like this, phosphate ions. When you study like this, you can memorize easily. That's why I wrote short form in the whiteboard. Okay, shall we summarize again? In the bone matrix consists three main components. They are cells, inorganic substances, organic substances. You have to memorize what are the examples of these things. This is about bone tissue. Take your resource book and read down this part.